Okay, fans, today we're gonna be scrapping this big microwave oven that I had to get out of my shop. I'm gonna be scrapping it for some cash, for some copper, for some brass, for some cables, and the big transformer that's in there. So this is gonna take probably a few minutes. I took the cover out. It's a big cover. Just a few screws. It has like 3 screws, hexagon screws in it. No big deal to take the cover out. And in this microwave oven, you don't get much, really. You get the magnetron, some copper here. You get a copper wiring, and this transformer here. There is not much in there. Just there is copper and aluminum. Half of this is aluminum and copper. It's not that. That's not a lot of material in there. Copper and aluminum. There is another motor back here, and there is another motor up down there. That's the turntable. Then when you get here, is the PC board here. PC board. The PC board has some transformers. You can sell this main board on eBay, but sometimes it just stay there for months and months and it doesn't sell, so it's better to scrap it. You get a bulb here. This is a magnetron. I don't deal with this. You can sell it as it, scrap. Of course, it has some aluminum here, but I don't play with this thing. I take some copper that is in here, and not much for this thing. So I'm gonna be taking it apart for some cash. Sometimes some of them have the diagram. You can take this. I do repair microwaves, so I'm an electronic technician. So if you do repair too, you can save this to repair some of them out. Most of them are the same. So I'm gonna be scrapping it. I got this plate full of a lot of things here. This thing has a screw on the bottom, and then you could pull off this thing. Just the door is all plastic. This is plastic. This is not favorable. There is something here. That's a sensor. That is back here. That's a sensor, heat sensor. Right there, the sensor. So I'm gonna be taking this one apart, and I'm gonna show you something here. I'm sorry, my camera is moving around, but there is a power power cap here. This power cap is right there. That's the power cap. What you do is you just take a screwdriver to discharge it. Just do like that. Don't touch the metal. Go and touch this too. Negative and positive, like that. That would discharge the capacitor. Most of the time these caps are not charged, but be careful with them. You just do like that. You take the screwdriver from one side to the metal, like that. One side to the metal, like that. And you discharge the capacitor. You can do this for the same side, like that, without touching the metal. And this cap is discharged already, so no problem with this thing. Because this thing has been there for a long time, so it's not that it was charged. Then you start taking the screwdrivers out. I'm dealing here with one hand. Now that I'm gonna get out of this camera, it's not gonna be much focus because this is just There is not enough light on this thing. I got to put some light here. But the rest of the thing is just taking the screws out. Taking this thing out of here. This thing has some clips on it. Sometimes you just push like that and they will come out. Yeah, there you go. One came out. There's another one. Okay. The other ones came out. This one you can cut. This one. There's copper. Then you cut these clips here. Yeah, like that. Yeah, be with me, guys. It's just one hand video, guys, and this is not focusing very good, I guess. For some reason, it's just not enough light. But most of the microwave, most of them is just, everything is the same way. You just take a bunch of screws out. No big deal. It saves the copper. This is a board with copper. That's copper there. The fuse, you can save this ceramic fuse. Take the cables out of there. This transformer, you got to take 4 screws on the bottom, and this one you got to take 2 screws on the bottom. So I'm going to be taking some things apart. Just I'm going to be pausing just to do it because I'm one hand working here. Okay, guys, I got most of the parts out. I took the magnetron out, the blower, the fan motor here. I took I got the part here but I gotta take some more here. I got the capacitor, high voltage capacitor, the blower motor, the PC board. It's a power supply board. The dial. This is a high voltage dial. A sensor. This is a sensor. His sensor, and the magnetron. This one I don't deal with it. And the power cord. The power cord has some. This is brass here. This is very easy to take out. You just cut here, and then you take the screwdriver, the cutter, like that, the wire cutter. You take it and you just bend here, and then this brass terminal will come out with a little bit of wire from here. Very easy stuff to do. So I'm gonna be taking out the big power transformer here. This is 4 screw, very easy. And the board. This board, you take this screw out here. Let me see if I can do it with the camera. It's not this camera doesn't have a very good stabilizer and doesn't record some out of focus most of the time. You take the screw out. And sometimes this part will come out. This one has maybe it has something holding it down there. Most of the time you just pull it out like that. Sometimes it's not. Let's see. One side came out, but the other side didn't come out. Oh, it has another screw on the bottom. This is a big microwave oven. So yes, it has a screw here. I don't know why this thing doesn't get in focus. You take the screws out here. Screw out. This is recording with one hand, guys, so excuse me, the camera is out of focus. There is no big light here. Something that this one has a screw on the bottom. Very hard to work with one hand. There you go. And this thing will come out, I guess, now. Bend this a little bit. Should go out. Okay, what's going on this plate here? This part here. Take this screw out here. Take this plug out here. these two here, you can cut this thing because you're not gonna be saving this. Just cut it. Whoa, that was tough. This is not an easy task for. I have the PC from the front board. Now, this PC here, sometimes this is gold plated inside, sometimes, not all the time. What you can say from this one, you can sell it as is on eBay, but I'm gonna be scrapping it. There is a relay here. This relay has some silver inside, very easy to get out. This is a transformer, and there is another relay here. This one, small one, relay, white relay. So on this one you have to take this screw out, these two, and the whole board will come out. Easy task. Now there is in here, oh brother, in here there is another motor there. So this one, this is the turntable motor here, turntable motor. I just screw out. This was easy. For some reason, it looked like somebody worked on this one because it has some screws there that somebody just did a modification of something on this motor here. Very bad modification, but in my country people like to play with stuff. And what they do is they damage things, and then when they bring it to you so you can repair the unit, you can do nothing because they damaged already, and then they don't want to pay for the repair neither. I mean, you cannot make money. So this is the motor. You can sell this motor on eBay too, but just I will recycle it. So that's it. There is another plate here. This is the power transformer right here. It has 4 screws. You take these 4 screws out, and the power transformer will come out. This one is a little tough. Okay. I will show you later all the material I got from this microwave oven. I think this was a General Kenmore microwave oven. Okay, one more here. One more here. And we get the transformer. Our transformer will come out. See what's happening here? My shop doesn't have another light, just the transformer came out. This is the power transformer here. Okay. I'm gonna leave it there for now so I can bend this to the other. Space here to work with. Just cut the wires off. There. Okay. This is the power transformer here. This is the power transformer. Okay, I still have something here. These are right here. These are the safety switch. You can take this out. Now this safety switch, they have some silver contact in them. So you can recycle the silver contact too. There's another screw down here. I can can make another video on how to take the contents out here. Okay, let's see what we got here. We have this in here. Got that. And there you have it. That's the safety switch for the microwave oven. They have a bunch of copper and switches. Those switches have a silver content in them. Put it over there. And what I have left here is just one more part. Right here. It's just a sensor. I have to take it apart. It's not easy to work with just one hand, guys. Okay, there it goes. So we have all the part here. We have the microwave oven. We have the plate, this plate, you can say this, sometimes you can sell it on eBay too. Well, what's happened is microwaves are so cheap that nobody wants to buy them anymore. So when this thing get damaged, people don't want to repair. And if they want to repair, they don't want to. Okay, this is what is left here. It's just metal. Metal and front is plastic. Then go over here. Piece of metal. That's a piece of metal. That's what is left for metals. It's boards that I have saved for to resell. PC board here. I got some cables there, and I got some copper in there. And right here I got a transformers right there. Brass. And this is what we got here. I'm gonna be showing you what we got from this thing. Okay, motors. This is a sensor here. Has some screws. I don't know why, but sometimes they don't have any screws. Okay, this is a sensor with the wires. Sensor. We got a bulb here. This bulb can be saved. Okay, there is a clip behind here. Comes the bulb. That's the bulb. These things are easy to come by. Switches. They have a. The switches have a. Switches have some silver connector in there. Okay, that's plastic. Okay, switches, motors, meters, capacitors, power supply board, big transformer here, power board, plastic, garbage, schematic. Okay guys, this is what we have. We have copper, power transformer. This is brass, you can recycle the brass. The board, sometimes this is gold plated, sometimes it's not. transformer and 2 relay. You can take the relays out, they have silver in contact in there. The power transformer. Sometimes you can sell it as it, because most of the time this one, the big one is aluminum, and the other one is copper. But it's very hard to take these things out of there, so sell it as it. They have some copper here. This is a safety switch for the relay. They have some silver contact in there. There is another motor here, the turntable motor. This is has copper in it. You can sell the motor as it. The magnetron, you can sell it as a metal, steel. There is the blower motor. It has some copper. You can take that one. That's easy. This heat sensor. I got 2 of them. These are heat sensors, both of them. Capacitor, power capacitor, high voltage power capacitor. You can save them, or you can put them in the steel pile. And there is an schematic for technician. You can save this if you repair microwave like I do. And the power diode, you can save the power diode. And there you have it. I don't know how much you can get there. Probably $1 or $2 out of that stuff. Not much. So it's just, you don't have anything else to do, just work on this. So thanks for watching, and please push the like button on the right side and hit the red button and subscribe to my videos. If you want me to subscribe to your videos because you need 1,000 subscribers, let me know. I'll do you a favor and I will subscribe to your videos, so we help each other. Thanks for watching, and thank you guys. I appreciate that. Bye.